Hi again, this is Who's the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is what have you lasagna. Why I say what have you, because I didn't use ricotta because I didn't have ricotta, but also because none of the boys like ricotta in their lasagna. They always say it's kind of chunky. So anyways, what have you is also whatever you have for flavoring and whatnot. So it's not really authentic lasagna, but at least the boys love it. Check out the full video now. See you soon again. Bye. So this is 800 grams of ground beef that we're just gonna brown it first. This is lean ground beef. Now add in condensed tomato soup with tomato paste and water to dilute this. Now we're gonna season it with basil, thyme, rosemary, tarragon, oregano, marjoram, fennel. They are all to taste. I will list down, and parsley. I will list down what needed, unless you have Italian seasoning, of course. I don't, so I'm gonna add what I mentioned a little at a time to taste. With the tomato paste and condensed tomato soup, you actually don't need any other flavoring like salt, sugar and whatnot, because it's already tasty. And your meat sauce of what have you is done. Now line your pan with aluminum foil and spread a thin layer of sauce evenly, and then we're gonna lay our lasagna noodle. You lay your noodle, we're gonna pour some of the meat sauce again and repeat this step until all noodle used up. And each time you want, if you use ricotta, after you pour this, sprinkle with ricotta. If not, it's fine as well. I know it's not authentic, it's what have you. Sprinkle with grated cheese and repeat. This is sour cream, not ricotta. Apart that, this is what have you lasagna. My boys don't like ricotta and it's pretty expensive for us. We're gonna top this or cover it with aluminum foil that you already sprayed with cooking oil. And then we're gonna bake it for 50 minutes. Why we spray it? So that cheese do not stick on the foil. Bake it for 50 minutes and then we're gonna take off the foil and then we'll bake more. Now take off the aluminum foil and continue cooking for 10 minutes. Just slice and serve. Your lasagna is ready.